The STIHL GTA26 battery pruning saw is ideal for pruning jobs around your property. It makes light work of limbing small trees and shrubs, cutting up garden waste, and even small DIY jobs such as building a raised garden bed. Don't be fooled by its compactness. The GTA26 offers impressive high cutting performance, quiet operation, excellent ergonomics, and a long battery life. Part of the STIHL AS system of tools, the GTA26 is powered by a 10.8 volt lithium-ion battery. It is quiet and lightweight at only 1.4 kilograms, including the battery. The rubberized handles make it comfortable to use and easy to control. This battery is also compatible with the HSA26 battery shrub shears. The GTA26 comes with a 1/4-inch Pico Micro 3 saw chain, specially designed by STIHL to produce low vibrations and a high cutting performance. To use the GTA26, simply toggle the trigger lock with your thumb and squeeze the trigger. Make sure you always operate the saw at full throttle, and for safety, both hands are securely holding the tool at all times. Once the chain is at full throttle, start the cut by applying light pressure. Too much pressure may bog the machine, so just let the saw do the work. The charge level indicator allows you to see the battery charge level at all times, and the chain can be replaced or adjusted without any tools. The saw, battery, and charger all come in a handy case for easy storage and transport, along with a bottle of multi-oil bio, so you can make sure the chain is lubricated and protected from corrosion at all times. Always read the manual before using the GTA26 battery pruning saw, and make sure you wear the correct personal protective equipment. With this tool, you should be wearing snug-fitting gloves, eye protection, and sturdy footwear.